Hello everybody, this is PIET from BuyDRProperty.com, Sosúa, Dominican Republic. I am here at a very nice property in Sosúa. It's about 10 minutes drive, 5 to 10 minutes drive to the center of Sosúa with the bars, restaurants and the beaches. It's a very nice property, 4 bedrooms and a maid's quarter. It's set on a very big lot. I'm gonna walk through and then I'll show you the big lot as well. This is the entrance. Very big terrace, nice for having a party, having a drink with a bar. Coming into the house, open space. One side on the left we have the kitchen. Like I told you, very spacious kitchen. The house comes totally furnished. From the kitchen, there's a nice space to go outside. You want to have lunch or dinner outside, go there. From here we go to the living area. Open concept living area. This is not a half bathroom. Living area with a nice television. This leads you as well to the pool area. It's a nice pool area with a little bit of ocean view. I don't know if you see it, but a little bit of ocean view. And very private. You can enjoy your swim here. A place for your computer. Television, and from here we go upstairs, the second floor, and this is more like the entertainment area, let's say, and here are the bedrooms. Spacious, the entertainment area with a pool table. You can put nice TV screen here. This is for the video, home video. And here are the bedrooms. This is the first one. They're very spacious, you see. Two of the bedrooms have air conditioning and two don't. This is the bathroom, full bathroom with a shower. This is the second bedroom. So these two don't have air conditioning, but no problem, you can put an air conditioning in. Leads to a very nice terrace. Overlooking the garden and a little bit the ocean. And then the third bedroom, it's here on the corner. This one has an air conditioning. With the full bathroom. And then we go to the master bedroom. Very big, looks like a ballroom. Look, very big bedroom with a walk-in closet. And the walk-in closet leads to the shower, to the bathroom, and here as well with the bathtub. And there's a shower, bathtub, and as well with the beautiful views. It's very rural, so you can have dogs, you can have cats, you can have some animals. It's a very nice and quiet place, and just 5 minutes drive to the Sosúa. So again, there's a pool area. With a big garden. And it's a little bit higher than Sosúa, so it's a little bit cooler. There's more breeze, so it's not really hot and sticky. It's really nice. So this is the property. You can find it on BuyDRProperty.com under the villa section with prices and all information. So I hope you liked it.